Hi everyone. Today's video is going to be really useful. It's about speeding up the mobile internet on your smartphone. Hardly anyone uses these settings because most people don't know exactly where to go or how to configure them to make the internet run lightning fast. Today I'll show you just how easy it is to do this on any phone. You see, mobile internet speed depends on a number of factors. The first one, of course, is your network connection, specifically the number of signal bars you have at any given moment. The more bars you have, the more stable the network is, and consequently, the faster your internet speed will be. But now, I'm going to show you some specific settings that don't depend on the network signal itself. Let's say you have full signal strength right now, but your internet connection is weak. Your network operator, your service provider, might be delivering the maximum possible speed, yet your smartphone settings are actually limiting that speed. Crucially, this doesn't happen at a system-wide level, but rather at the level of individual apps. Each app has its own specific settings. I'm going to explain and demonstrate everything right now. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends. So go into the standard settings. Next, you need to find privacy protection within the settings menu. Tap on that. Scroll down and find special permissions. By the way, it says here that we need to monitor how the app uses sensitive permissions, and it implies that unless we manually configure the settings ourselves, well, nothing will actually happen. We click here. Now look here. Scroll down and find a setting called Unlimited Mobile Internet. Tap on it. You will see a list of apps, some with the toggle already turned on, others with it turned off, and some with no toggle at all. You need to select the apps that use the internet and that you use frequently. For example, this could be YouTube or a browser you use to search for information, such as Google Chrome or another one. If there is a toggle next to the app and it is currently off, simply turn it on. If you don't see such a slider, for instance, if you've located the app you use online, say, you see there's no slider here, tap on that app. Tap this slider here, and then tap the other slider below it. That's it. Just go back. So, here you have enabled maximum internet and data transfer specifically for this particular app. Of course, you don't need to turn this on for every app, as it would cause extra battery drain due to the high data usage. You should select only the key apps that rely on the internet, such as social media, browsers, YouTube, and any others that simply cannot function without it.